I hear this dude's rocking it. This is Taco Gordo.
Got 2 brisket here.
Taco Gordo is the best Mexican food this close to the Canadian border.
Tinga, brisket, beans, and rice.
I'm from California, and this is the first place in Vermont that I felt encapsulated what a true taco is.
Real deal, Southwestern, Mexican.
I didn't know how much I needed Charlie's tacos.
That craving took hold when Charlie Sizemore first rolled out his taco cart in 2014, then blew it up to a brick and mortar, bringing West Coast flavor all the way to New England.
I love the El Pastor, the way they roast it on the spit, the pineapple. You can't get a better taco.
It's just like a religious experience.
Today we're gonna do the al pastor. We're making our house adobo. We start with our dried spices and chilies. We toast these off.
The guajillos, the pasillas, and the chipotles.
Yes.
I like it. What else are we doing?
Peppercorns, cloves, cumin.
Got it. Some cinnamon. This I'm impressed with, the annatto seed.
Yes.
Dude, where'd you learn to cook?
A misspent youth.
He was in a band called Misspent Youth. The beautiful thing about that annatto seed really gives that beautiful red hue in Latin food.
These go on to soak.
Let me set some background steeping music.
You're good at that.
Well, it's Misspent Youth.
We're playing a show later on.
Yes, I have the album. Do you sign my shirt?
Chilies into the blender here. Apple cider vinegar, raw blackened garlic, our spice mix, oregano, sugar, salt.
A little more liquid. We're gonna use boneless pork butt.
Yes. We get it cold, slice it thin.
How long are we gonna let this pork marinate?
At least a day.
Got it?
Start stacking.
The al pastor looks fantastic. Pineapple on top?
Pineapple on top.
Super important. Next up.
This is our salsa roja.
Okay.
Guajillos, a couple of chipotles,
Okay.
roasted tomatoes, toasted garlic, ground cumin, oregano, sugar, salt, apple cider vinegar.
Great.
A little bit of steeping liquid.
Delicious. Love the toasting of the garlic. A little kiss of the sugar. Well done.
A little bit of lard, tortillas. While these are cooking, I'm gonna slice you a little bit of this al pastor.
Love the pineapple on top.
A little onion cilantro. This is our salsa roja here.
This is outstanding. This is also probably one of the closest I've been to having authentic al pastor outside of Mexico. The tortilla is great. The al pastor is tender. It's got a ton of flavor. There's a good amount of char on this. The marinade comes through. The little piece of pineapple on top is key.
Are we in Flavortown right now?
I am at Customs. I am crossing the border. That is a dynamite taco. Welcome to Flavortown.
2 al pastor going to the bar.
It's fantastic. Smoky, rich, a lot of sweetness.
Every time I look at it, my mouth waters.